Look, here is the hole which I have already been done previously, and in case of new cut you have to make this hole by any sharp notch or needle. You have to make this hole, and now I am pouring the black ink through that hole, and for example, to show, I am pouring a small amount now. Now the ink has been inserted through the syringe. That is a syringe using for medical purposes. The same syringe is used in this case, and now the the hole through which the ink is poured is to be covered, because if there be no vacuum in the chamber, then the ink may flow through the nozzle, which situates at bottom of the cartridge. For this reason, to stop the overflow of ink, you have to cover this hole by using any plug or tape or anything else. I will use a tape. Yes, look how I will cover this hole to stop entry of air inside the chamber, so that ink will not flow easily through the nozzle situated at the bottom of this cartridge. I am covering this nozzle, this hole, to stop entering of air in the chamber of the cartridge, and now it is plugged, or hole is closed, so ink will not flow through the nozzle of the that situates bottom of the cartridge. Okay, and in the same way, other three cartridges are to be filled with ink. And mind it, these cartridge have only one single chamber only for black, because of what you can pour maximum up to 15 millimeter, but my advice is not to pour more than 10 milliliter black ink in this cartridge. But the color cartridge having three chambers for red, blue and yellow. As such, the ink amount of ink to be poured in this cartridge should not be more than 5 to 7 milliliter each. Now there are position of the three holes I have shown here. In case of in maximum cartridge, the position of the holes are same. I have made the hole already, but in case of first time refilling, the hole is to be made by any needle or a small drill, but the hole is to be made carefully. Okay, and now I will show how to pour. I will show the position of the three holes and how to pour ink in these cartridges. See the position of three holes. The upper one is red, the left of bottom two is blue, and right one is yellow. And there are three chambers within these cartridges which holds the equal amount of three kind of inks: red, blue and yellow. Now I will show how to refill ink in the cartridge. It is black. As this cartridge has already been refilled previously, I am taking small amount of ink just to show in this video. And after taking ink, the air inside the syringe is to be removed as much as possible, so that air will not enter in the cartridge. The tape used to cover the hole to stop air entry inside the chamber is removed, and now ink is will refill or pour in the cartridge very slowly. Look, the needle is to be inserted straight and ink is to be poured very slowly, and after pouring ink the needle is to be withdrawn also very slowly and straight, not left right up down, because the spongy like material inside the chamber may damage. Now after completion the refilling of ink, this hole is to be closed, because through this hole if air will enter inside the cartridge chamber, then ink may go out through the nozzle and ink can flow very easily through the bottom, through the nozzle situated at the bottom of the cartridge. As such, this vent or hole is to be closed perfectly. I have used here tape, so any kind of material can be used. One thing should remember, this one is black cartridge. It holds more ink than individual chamber of color cartridge. Each chamber, the color cartridge is divided into 3 chambers. Thus, amount of individual ink can be poured in the color cartridge is comparatively less than this black. I will suggest one should not refill black ink more than 7 to 8 millimeter. It will be better to use 5 millimeter ink only. This one is the red, and now I will pour this red ink in particular hole of red, and I have taken very small amount just to show how to pour ink, but in fact ink must be taken around 5 milliliter, maximum 7, and my suggestion is not to pour more than 5 milliliter. Okay, and this one is a red. I am pouring the red ink in its chamber. There is a sponge or pad or absorbing material inside the chamber which is absorbing the ink, and this I have poured first red, then this one is a blue. I am inserting this ink in the blue chamber like this way. Very small ink now I am pouring just to show how to refill, and this one is the yellow, or this one is a yellow, or someone say magenta like this. So okay, I have already refilled 3 type of inks in the color cartridge. Now I have to cover the 3 holes by using any plug or tape. I will use tape. The holes have been plugged, closed or covered to stop the entry of air inside the chambers, so that ink can't go through the nozzle automatically. If there be vacuum in the chamber, then it will be very tough to ink to flow through the nozzle situated at the bottom. As such, the holes must be plugged by any rubber item, any tape or anything. The holes are to be closed.